Hey, it's me MC and we're here again for another Carversations, kwentuhan sa loob ng sasakyan. Mga kapatid, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung salitang fun versus joy versus happiness. So marami mga tao, when they do things, they want it to be fun, especially getting their dreams. But then again, when things don't go their way at hindi na fun, hindi na masaya, ang nangyayari, they tend to give up. Maraming tao bumibitaw sa pangarap nila because the process of getting your dreams are not easy, and it's not always rainbows and butterflies. Most of the time nasa putikan ka, most of the time nasa baba ka. And I really believe na yung part na yon is essential for you to become the person you ought to be. Pero again, this will serve as a reminder na the moment na hindi na masaya yung nangyayari, the moment na hindi na fun, okay? I'm using masaya as the word fun. Huwag kang bibitaw, huwag kang susuko, huwag kang bigla-bigla na lang maglalaho. Kasi believe me, no, after all the rain, there will always be a rainbow. So if you understand na you're on the right path, did you know na kahit pangit yung sitwasyon, you can experience true joy? Bakit? Kasi nga, nasa tamang daan ka, nasa right path ka. You are on your way to the person you're destined to be, which is your person destined for greatness. So meaning, that sense of peace and serenity inside you, yun yung tinatawag natin na joy. Na even if may struggle, even if na mahirap yung sitwasyon, even if there are things that you need to overcome, believe me, itutuloy-tuloy mo lang, and then the moment you reach your destination, in short, natupad na yung mga pangarap mo, natupad na yung mga bagay na gusto mo sa buhay, that's where you will experience happiness. So yung happiness, ultimately, yan yung goal natin, di ba? Ma-experience yung happiness, ma-experience yung love ng family members natin, ng people around us, yung admiration. But you know, all these things are fleeting. Lumilipas po lahat yan, di ba? Yung magigain natin na fame, magigain natin na fortune, magigain natin na kung ano man yung pinapangarap natin, those are all fleeting. Kaya pinaka-importante po bilang tao is alam natin kung bakit natin ginagawa yung bagay na ginagawa natin. So, importante po na we are passionate, we have a purpose, o maging purpose-driven tayo. And, syempre, we should always want others to win as well. That's where you will find true happiness through joy. So again, it's not always rainbows and butterflies. Sometimes nasa putikan, sometimes nasa baba. Pero if you keep moving forward, if you keep going, believe me, darating din ang baghari sa buhay mo. God bless you guys. Huwag kang susuko, live rich, and see you